How much does it cost to own a dog in Nigeria? You see, a lot of people just feel all they have to do is to get a dog and they are good to go. But see, there is more to that. And that is why I tell people who come to me for, oh, bro, I need dog, I need this, and they are students and also they are just trying to get a dog because they have heard that there's money in breeding or they just want to follow the crowd. I tell them it is one thing to buy a dog and it is another thing to take care of that dog. Most of the time, care alone is ×3 of the price you got that dog. Yes. So owning a dog goes beyond just buying the dog. And I'm going to be calling out listing three major challenges that goes with dog ownership. Number one is vaccination. Let's talk about vaccination. Because when you get that dog, hope around 8 weeks, some would like to get 6 weeks or so, you have to complete or continue the vaccination. The last time we vaccinated a puppy, we spent 15,000 naira for every vaccination, for every vaccine, and the warming was 5,000. Now I know that some other vets would want to might vaccinate cheap, or their prices may not be as high as 15-20k per vaccine. Now I did this on purpose because when I went to a vet who would obviously take cheap, I found out that those vaccines were just on top of the fridge. Nobody, no light. And you know, vaccines becomes useless when the storage chain is broken. Yes. When I got into the clinic or the shop, no light. The fridge, very hot. The fridge was just hot. Those vaccines were on top of the fridge. I said, Immediately, I told the person I came with, let's go out. I had to go to a very far place. Very far place. The transportation alone will cost over 7,000 naira. I had to go there because those guys had, their fridge was this type of fridge where even if you take the fridge out of the light, you still maintain good temperature for a long time, maybe 24 hours. They had that, but the gen was on. So I was comfortable paying that money. Yes. So vaccination is very important. You do DHLPP, you deworm, you're going to give anti-rabies shot, booster shot, and so on. So vaccination should be part of the things you consider when planning on owning a dog. Yes. Number two is feeding. Feeding is the main deal, the main thing. And the cost of feeding a puppy a month, average, or let me say the cheapest you go is 100k if you want to do it right. 100k per month, 100k per month. Now I know there are dog foods or dog food brands in Nigeria that would cost over 150, 180k per bag, 200k. Yes, there are premium brands like Royal Canine, Taste of the Wild, and so on. They are up there. But if you'd like to go for something cheaper, let's say dog chow, that's around 85k, 80k. The remaining 20k, you can get some supplements and some other things, 100k. But if you're looking out for a way more cheaper dog food brand, then I would recommend Amical Gallant. That's around 42k. So if you're in need of that one, do well to reach out to me. We build to any part of the country. So that is it for feeding. Feeding will take a lot of money. In fact, that's where you're going to be spending a lot of money. That's it. Then the third one is accommodation. You look at where you're going to be keeping your dog. that place would have to be very neat. The cost of feeding it, the stress or the cost of maintaining it, maybe you want to hire someone who will be doing that for you, cleaning, washing the kennel, keeping that place neat. Now, these three aside, we have training and exercise. This training can be expensive depending on the trainer, but I just took it out because not everybody will want to train their dogs. Some are very okay with their dogs barking at a stranger or anybody who knocks at the gate. That's the reason why I had to mention these three: vaccination, feeding, and accommodation or housing. So we also have other things, but these three are the very basic things you would have to pay for, or you must pay for if you own a dog. So give or take, every month you're going to be spending tangible amount of money on that dog you just got. So this is the cost of owning a dog, and it is anywhere, like I mentioned, anywhere from 100k and above. But if you're going to be going for the cheaper dog food brand I mentioned, around 42,000, then you're going to be spending around 60,000 naira every month, depending on how you give them the food. Some people may not give them kibbles every day. They may mix with rice, chicken parts, and so on. So the food or their kibbles get to last longer. So, but give or take, you're going to spend at least 100k every month taking care of your dog. And this is why I always tell people, when you want to get a dog, always try to go for quality, so that you at least get the joy having and investing in that dog. I hope this video was helpful to someone. Thank you.